Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to our channel Selim's English. I am Lavanya speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about electrician. So let's get started. Electrician Dev, Salman, Laila, Thanin, Ratul, Khori, etc. This post office. Post office color is red, green, white, etc. This is supermarket. Supermarket color is white, orange, blue, etc. This is park. I love park. This is library. Library color is pink, white, etc. This is college. College color is white, blue, etc. This is hospital. Hospital color is pink, white, etc. That's all by information. Stay with me for the next video. Bye.